In this video, we're going to take a look at how to take a card not present or phone order transaction through My Shop Assist. Start on the work order for which you would like to take a payment, click Make Payment, and choose Credit Card for the payment. Gone are the days where this information will need to be entered into the terminal, and now it'll all be done directly through My Shop Assist. Click on In Person and put the amount of the transaction you would like to run. Click on Manual, and a screen will pop up allowing you to enter the credit card information. Select Pay, and the card information will be validated. Note that in this case, the address did not match, and so the shop will be given the choice to proceed or not. We'll go ahead and proceed. We'll be given the option to sign. And the payment is complete. We can see all of the information here, or we can close it, and in order to get access to a receipt, we simply hit print. And that's how you take a card not present transaction in My Shop Assist.